Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we discuss the best 3D printer for cookie cutters. This is an important topic, especially if you're looking to make your custom cookie cutters, especially for users looking to personalize their cookie cutters with unique shapes, sizes, and designs. We all know that a quality 3D printer can make or break an artist's career, which is why it's important to choose the right one. To help you out, we've done the research and narrowed it down to 5 of the best 3D printers for cookie cutters. That printer can be used in any condition, and it can help you create almost any shape or design you can imagine. We have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is FlashForge Adventurer 3 3D Printer. The FlashForge Adventurer 3 is a compact 3D printer designed for ease of use and affordability. It features a fully enclosed chamber that helps to keep the printing environment stable and prevents the emission of fumes. This printer uses a single extruder that can print with various materials, including PLA, ABS, PETG, etc. What makes this printer ideal for cookie cutter making is its advanced features. With a removable nozzle, you won't have to worry about leveling printing or clogging, making your cookie cutter creations effortless. The Bendable Build Plate ensures that your designs come out ideally every time without any warping. But that's not all. This printer also features filament detection, so you won't have to worry about running out of mid-print. The Adventurer 3 has an easy-to-use filament replacement system that will return you to printing quickly. So whether you're a professional baker or love creating unique cookie cutters as a hobby, the FlashForge Adventurer 3 3D printer is a perfect choice. Get ready to bring your cookie cutter designs to life with this top-of-the-line 3D printer. Its advanced features allow you to create endless arrangements and elevate your cookie-making game. If you want to buy the best 3D printer, check the link in the description box to buy it.